between now and, let's see, it's 09:30 our time, it's 14:30 Zulu, okay? By 15:30 Zulu, you need to have an attachment done and a program done so that your robot can clear the debris field and come back to the start point. Okay. Any questions about the mission? Yes.
Is there any pieces you can make where you could like drop a plow down or drop a hook down and like bring it back?
Yes, you can use one additional motor. You can have a total of 3 motors on your robot.
No, I mean like how would you make it do that?
That's what you and your teammates need to figure out.
You know how that would work? See, now let's know how to make that work.
You have access to the internet. You've got programs on the computer. You can look at examples. You look at the pieces you have available. I will tell you that when you put an additional motor on and you connect an arm attachment, it's best to use rotations to control it. You've got additional ports. All of your motors need to be into a A, B, C, or D port. There you go, and sensors go in the numbered ports.
And we can't plow over the...
You can plow it to where, all I'm saying for right now, because our transmission, all it said is they needed it cleared out of the landing field. Okay, we will have more details to come. But between now and an hour from now, you need to have that attachment built and the program done. Okay? My suggestion is that somebody write down what time you need to be able to do it, so you know.
I've got an alarm on my phone.
That's good.
Because I'm heavy and
I'm like kind of building it.
I have an idea.
I have an idea too. I'm kind of building out this part for me to explain. Oh, you're shrinking.
Ice has an idea.
Ice has an idea too.
That's cool. You can share ideas.
That is a nice thing.
What are you doing? Just an idea. I'm gonna see if it works.
Hey,
I know.
putting it on there and then having like making a little hand thing for it and go around in circles.
I was thinking that we have this and we can turn it 90 degrees because that's one part of it. If you think of the pie wise. Okay, and we figured out that this is about 2 inches for our wheel. So it's going to go 15.3.
Hey, attention in the robotics production facility. I need one representative from each team at the briefing table.
My turn.
I need one representative.
I did it all long.
Okay, we've had additional information from the team in the emergency bunker. It's not clear why yet, But your robot and attachment have to start from this secondary landing zone. So it cannot be any larger than this when you start. Just like in the actual Lego League competition, if you put an attachment on, it can go up as high as you want, and then it can come down, but it can't be any bigger than this when you start. So nothing can hang over. So I can give you an example sheet so you can test your robot. Hey, wait, we're not done. You're going to need to write this down. Another thing, that because we are in orbit in a space station ourselves, you are not going to have room to test your robot back and forth to see how far a rotation goes, like one rotation of the wheel. So I'm going to give you a formula so you can figure out how far your robot will travel in one rotation. Take 3.14, which is pi.
No, that's not quite wrong though. These should be good though. You're right in the middle of them. Yes.
Times the diameter. The diameter of the wheel, which is going to put a question mark or whatever. You'll have to measure that. And I don't know where my tape measure already went. Okay, but you need to measure the diameter of your wheel. And my suggestion, it's only a suggestion, is that you do a little chart of, you know, 1 rotation, 2 rotation, 3 rotation. You can use the calculator on your computer. I think I've got one laying around here too. So you can tell how far your robot will travel in 1 rotation. Another suggestion, for distance, if you start in centimeters, stay in centimeters. If you start in inches, stay in inches. Because when you program it, it will ask you, I forget what it defaults to. Centimeters are sometimes easier to work with, just because they're nice round numbers. Inches, not so much.
Oh yeah, what? Can you, Quinn, yeah. Can you give me 2 pieces?
What pieces?
This one and that one.
Okay.
This.
Wait. What pieces? Oh, really?
I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes. And then the Lego.
And what else?
This one. It looks like a hanger.
Okay.
Hopefully this works.